morning, it's Marley. I'm here at my new listing on Abbeville. It's a beautiful mid-century house. Our original architect of this house is Charles DuBois. He's an architect well known in Palm Springs as well as in this area for the mid-century modern. This house has been very nicely added on. I'm here right in the kitchen and like to show you a little bit about the house. It is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. The square footage with the addition is 2,500. The lot is beautiful. It's a 11,100 square feet flat lot with a pool, and we have listed it for $1,200,000, right in the heart between Woodland Hills and Calabasas. So let me show you around. Let's start with the kitchen. Brand new, hardly cooked in, white shaker cabinets, quartz stone on the top. We've got stainless steel appliances, Lazy Susan, direct access to the backyard, beautiful backyard. Ideally, I would like to put a barbecue here, big pool. We have a little workspace in the corner of this kitchen and plenty of room for the kids to hang out here or for people to entertain on this huge buffet, 4-seaters. Here's a little workspace. You have a utility area here. You have a powder room right here. It's also good when you have kids coming from swimming. Let me show you here. And then we have direct access to the 2-car garage through this beautiful appointed laundry room. Caesar stone countertops, extra space to store, 2-car attached garage. So we're coming back, wrapping around here. Again, this was the kitchen that was added on. High ceiling, wood beams, and beautiful skylights. Now let's go into open up to the family room. First of all, we've got the dining room right in the heart, accessible from everywhere, from the family room here, which is to the front of the house. Big family room. You see the new floors is white planks, like natural color. We have a high ceiling here in the family room, recessed lights. The walls were all redone down to the studs and were insulated. We've got beautiful wood and glass doors, interior doors. Nice open feeling here. Exposed beams and the beautiful ceiling. Here we have the formal sitting area, or little area here which we call the formal living room. And the formal living room is really opposite the main door. Here's the main door. We come in. Let me show you a little bit outside while we're here. So outside we've got a beautiful circular driveway. And there's a dog going crazy right now. 2-car attached garage. We've got the circular driveway. Here's the front door again. And you get a good look of the circular driveway. And here's the house. Here's my shadow actually. Hello neighbor. So beautiful custom door with the glass panel on the side. Let's go back inside here. And as I said, you come in and right away, beautiful. Your visitors will have this gorgeous view of this nice fireplace with the concrete shelving here that was floated. To the right, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So the track where the sleeping quarters are very private. We've got a bedroom to the front, well appointed. We've got a good sized bedroom, secondary one, that has access to the backyard here. All new flooring, windows, pitched ceiling, and the new doors. Then we have the bathroom for basically the hallway, the kids. Really nice bathroom, brand new, beautiful large shower with the pebble inside and the shelves. And then we have the 4th bedroom here, used as an office. And at the very end, we've got the master. The master is nicely situated at the end of the hallway, privately access to the beautiful backyard. We've got 2 sliding doors and a brand new bathroom with a shower and a dual sink. So 2,500 square feet in all, mid-century modern, electrical, plumbing, sewer, everything has been redone, and it is listed for $1.2 million. I would love for you to see it in person. So if you want to come, let me know. We'll entertain offers this week. It's the last week in January. I'm going to start the week strong with this beautiful listing. Thanks for tuning in. It's Marley, and have a great day.